Are you tired of plastic spatulas melting and metal spoons scratching your favorite non-stick pans? Today, we're going back to basics to find the most reliable, beautiful, and functional tools for your kitchen. If you believe the heart of the home is the kitchen, then you know that the right tools can completely transform your cooking experience. That's why we're on a mission to find the best wooden utensils on the market. In this video, we're counting down our top 7 picks, from good to absolutely incredible. Number 7. Riveira Bamboo Cooking Spoons. This is a 6-piece set that serves as a great entry point into the world of wooden utensils, especially for those outfitting a new apartment or looking for a budget-friendly option. The set is made from 100% organic bamboo, which is a fantastic sustainable material that's known for being lightweight yet surprisingly durable. When I first unboxed them, I was pleased with the smooth finish and the light, natural color. They feel thoughtfully designed, with a nice variety of shapes, including a slotted spoon, a solid spoon, and a spatula, all measuring a standard 12 inches. The Riveira utensils are designed to be non-stick and safe for all your cookware, meaning you don't have to worry about scratching your pots and pans. In practice, they held up well for basic tasks like stirring sauces and sautéing vegetables. The bamboo material is odor and stain resistant, which is a huge plus when you're working with potent ingredients like garlic or turmeric. Cleaning was also straightforward. A simple wash with warm soapy water is all they need. They are not dishwasher safe, which is standard for most wooden utensils, so that's something to keep in mind if you prefer the convenience of a dishwasher. However, the reason the Riveira set is at the start of our list is due to some minor quality control issues I encountered. While most of the utensils were perfectly smooth, the slotted spoon in my set had a slightly rough edge that actually gave me a small splinter while hand drying it. Not a pleasant experience. Number 6. OXO Good Grips Wooden Utensil Set. OXO has a reputation for creating durable, well-designed, and ergonomic tools, and this 3-piece set is no exception. Made from solid beechwood, these utensils feel immediately more substantial and sturdy than the bamboo set we just looked at. The set typically includes a spoon, a slotted spoon, and a turner, covering the absolute essentials for daily cooking. The first thing you'll notice is the classic OXO attention to comfort. The handles are thick, rounded, and comfortable to hold, providing a solid grip that feels secure, even when you're vigorously stirring a thick stew. The beechwood construction is safe for all non-stick cookware, and it comes with a natural oil finish that not only protects the wood, but also gives it a lovely, warm sheen. One of the standout pieces often included in their line is a corner spoon, which features a flat edge designed specifically for scraping the bottom and corners of pots, perfect for deglazing or making sure nothing sticks. However, this set isn't without its critiques, which is why it sits at number 6. While the thick, sturdy handle is great for comfort and heavy-duty tasks, it can also feel a bit bulky. For more delicate jobs that require precision, like folding in ingredients or making a fine sauce, the sheer size of the utensils can be awkward. I found the turner, in particular, to be less nimble than I would have liked for flipping things like omelets. It's a workhorse, but not a precision instrument. 5. Zulay Kitchen Wooden Cooking Spoons. This is where we start to see a significant jump in material quality and overall craftsmanship. Teak is one of the most desirable woods for kitchen utensils, prized for its incredible durability, high oil content, and natural water resistance. This set from Zulay Kitchen is beautifully crafted and immediately brings a touch of elegance to the kitchen counter. The set includes a great variety of tools, featuring a salad spoon, salad fork, serving spoon, skimmer, spatula, and turner, making it a comprehensive collection for almost any task. Upon handling them, the difference from the previous items is palpable. The teak wood has a smooth, soft-to-the-touch finish that feels fantastic in your hand. Despite being lightweight, they are exceptionally solid. The grain of the teak is beautiful, and each piece has a unique pattern that adds to its aesthetic appeal. One of the biggest advantages of this set is its performance. Because teak is a close-grained hardwood, these utensils are non-porous, meaning they won't absorb odors or stains from your food. You can stir a curry 1 minute and a white cream sauce the next without any worry of color transfer. They are also completely scratch-free, so you can confidently use them with your most expensive non-stick or enameled cast iron cookware. Zulay also coats them with a clear lacquer, which helps maintain their beautiful gloss and makes them even easier to clean. Just a quick rinse with soap and water is all that's needed. 4. Bokalaka Teak Wooden Spoons. This set continues our exploration into the world of high-quality teak, and it truly exemplifies why this material is so revered in the culinary world. While Bokalaka might be a lesser-known brand compared to some others on this list, the quality of their product speaks for itself. This set is for the home chef who appreciates the finer details and wants utensils that are not just tools, but beautiful objects in their own right. What sets the Bokalaka set apart is the sheer beauty and consistency of the craftsmanship. Each utensil is carved from a single piece of high-grade teak, and the finish is impeccable. The wood is sanded to a silky smooth texture, and the natural oil in the teak gives it a rich, warm luster that seems to glow. Running your hand over these spoons, you can feel the quality. There are no rough spots, no splinters, just perfectly finished wood. This level of attention to detail ensures they are completely safe for all your cookware surfaces. In terms of performance, these utensils are a dream to work with. The set comes with an assortment of thoughtfully designed pieces, perfect for a wide range of kitchen tasks. Teak's natural resistance to heat and moisture means you can rest a spoon on the side of a hot pot without worry, and they won't warp or crack over time. They clean up effortlessly, and, like the Zulay set, they don't hold on to stains or odors, keeping them fresh and hygienic for every use. Number 3. Mooues Wooden Kitchen Utensil Set. This set impressed me not only with the quality of the utensils themselves, but also with the thoughtful accessories included. It's made from natural, solid teak, which we've established is one of the best materials for kitchen tools due to its hardness and durability. What makes the Mooues set stand out is its sheer completeness. It comes with everything you need: a flat spatula, a fried spatula, a slotted spatula, a strainer spoon, a salad fork, a salad spoon, and a mixing spoon. But it doesn't stop there. It also includes a matching wooden spoon holder and a spoon rest. This is a game changer for kitchen organization and cleanliness. The holder keeps your utensils neatly arranged and within arm's reach, while the spoon rest saves your countertops from messy drips during cooking. It's these practical additions that elevate the set from just a collection of tools to a cohesive kitchen system. The quality of the teak is excellent. The wood is dense and has been hand-sanded multiple times to achieve a perfectly smooth, non-stick surface. This means they are gentle on your cookware and a breeze to clean. The manufacturer notes that teak is stronger than even bamboo or silicone, and its resistance to cracking ensures these utensils will last for a very long time. The handles have hanging holes if you prefer to store them that way, offering versatile storage options. Functionally, each piece is well designed. The spatulas have the right amount of flex, the spoons have deep enough bowls for scooping, and the variety of tools covers virtually any cooking need from breakfast to dinner. 2. Aiuhi Wooden Utensils. This 7-piece set is, in a word, beautiful. From the moment you unbox them, it's clear that aesthetics were a top priority in their design. If you're someone who loves to have a kitchen that looks as good as the food that comes out of it, this set is a serious contender. Each piece arrives individually wrapped to ensure they are in pristine condition, a small touch that I really appreciate. The most striking feature of the Aiuhi utensils is the wood itself and its stunning finish. The grain is absolutely gorgeous, with rich, warm tones that make each utensil a unique piece of art. They have a special gloss finish applied, which not only enhances the natural beauty of the wood, but also makes them incredibly easy to clean. Food just slides right off. This glossy coat adds a layer of protection and gives them a polished, premium look that stands out on the countertop. The set offers a great variety of tools, including different types of spatulas and spoons, some with holes and some solid, giving you the versatility needed for all sorts of recipes. They are fantastic for everything from making scrambled eggs to tossing a large salad or stirring a deep pot of soup. The handles have holes at the end, giving you the option to hang them if you wish. I found them to be the perfect size and weight, substantial enough to feel durable, but light enough to handle with ease. 1. Woodenhouse Teak Wooden Utensil Set. This set is the epitome of quality, craftsmanship, and thoughtful design. It's a comprehensive 10-piece set that leaves no stone unturned, providing you with every tool you could possibly need, all crafted from the highest quality, 100% natural teak wood. What places the Woodenhouse set firmly in the top spot is its uncompromising commitment to quality. Each utensil is handcrafted from a single solid piece of plantation-grown teak. This is crucial. It means there is no glue, no plastics, and no chance of the utensil splitting or breaking at a joint. The finish is exceptionally smooth, and you can feel that it's designed to last a lifetime. In fact, Woodenhouse is so confident in their product that they offer a lifetime split-free replacement promise, which is a testament to the superior construction. The set includes an amazing array of tools: a flat spatula, slotted spatula, ladle, strainer spoon, pasta server, and more, all neatly housed in a matching teak holder. They have truly thought of everything. The pasta server is perfectly designed to grab noodles, the ladle is great for soups and gravies, and the various spatulas are ideal for flipping, stirring, and scraping. These utensils are heat-resistant and won't scratch any of your cookware, from cast iron to ceramic. One of the standout features of teak, which this set perfectly showcases, is its naturally high oil content. This makes the utensils incredibly easy to clean. They resist stains and odors, and food wipes away with minimal effort. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.